How's it going, everybody? My name is Dalton. Welcome back to another episode of Garage 29. In today's video, we're going to do a huge update for you guys because it's been about a week or two since you've seen a video, and it's coming up to winter and a lot of things are going to be changing very soon. We're going to start with the Focus. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2015 Focus. It's probably the longest living thing on the channel. It's completely bone stock. I bought it when I got rid of my Compass and my 350Z. Those were kind of earlier on in the channel. I did do a front lip. We did fog light covers. Came with winter tires and wheels. I put mud flaps on it. It has a resonator delete and it's got a clear intake. That's it. Pretty much stock other than that. Nothing has really changed with it recently. This is my bro cart or my buggy or my whatever. It used to look like this right over here, and now it looks like this. We did a ton of stuff to it, and I cannot wait to enjoy it. We're gonna have some really cool clips. When it snow starts sticking, we're gonna do all kinds of stupid things that I probably should be doing with it. We got this super cheap. I only paid like 500 bucks for it. We probably have about that much, if not a tiny bit more into it. Since I've had it, I put new tires and wheels on it. I got mirrors for it. I got that bar in the middle, along with light bar mounts and this awesome light bar, which that's new for everybody. Nobody's actually seen that on the video, but check that thing out. It is so freaking bright. So we got that. You guys already saw the wiring and everything for it. We got this really cool LED light bar back here. Just as like a running light. Doesn't actually function with the brakes. We got harnesses for it, grab handles, and the cargo net in the back. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. It's bone stock. I did replace the brakes. It doesn't really need anything else other than that. And then we have my beautiful race car Miata that I have on our Max Jacks hoist in the back of the garage. It's currently broken. The last video you guys saw, I did end up shredding one of my brake lines on the way home from that meet, and I had to learn how to drive without brakes. So that was fun. Ordered the brake line. It should be in, I think, like next week or the beginning of the following week. It is currently December, so I'm not in a hurry to get it. Car's probably not going to be moving from this position for the rest of the year. Two of the three things in this garage are staying, and one of them is leaving. And it's not that and not that. We're getting, I know. I always get rid of the cars that I love so much, and I really hate it, but I am doing it for bigger and better things. All three of these things that are mine, my wife has her leased car, which she's also getting rid of. So we're getting rid of 2 cars in the next couple months, and we're buying 3 in the next 5 months. So that math actually makes sense. We're gonna have one more car than we did before. This I'm never ever selling. I'm putting this on the record, on camera, so everybody can hear me. I am never selling this car. I will keep it forever. It is amazing. It is so much fun. I will always repair it. I will always make it into the former glory that it is right now. This thing, I still have to find a use for it and have fun with it. Maybe once we get the new vehicle, I can use it more. I might as well just let you guys know, I need to replace this with the truck. I got a new job. Me and my wife both have new jobs. I'm beating the absolute heck out of this car just with me getting in and out of it dirty. I'm keeping it as clean as possible, but it's just a lot more work than I want to do to keep it to where it needs to be nice and clean. So I'm gonna get an old winter beater truck, and then I'm gonna use the leftover money for a fun car. It's gonna be like March, April-ish, I'm gonna purchase that. And then the wife's lease is up in January, and she is getting a very, very awesome vehicle. I don't wanna spoil any specifics with any of those 3 vehicles yet. I want you guys to be surprised, because this garage is gonna look ridiculous when we get our new cars. Even though we're able to fit 3.5 vehicles in here, my daily is gonna probably have to sit outside. And I'm sure you guys are wondering what project I have been working on since I haven't touched these guys in a couple weeks. Well, I'm gonna go inside and show you. You're not getting a house tour quite yet. You will get one very, very soon, probably in the springtime, summertime, when it warms up a little bit and we can get everything cleaned up. But I have a project that's upstairs right now. This is a ranch, but it has a half-finished attic with a really cool spiral staircase that I've been working on, and it's really difficult for me because I don't have any creativity. My wife's the creative one. But I'm working on that right now, and that's kind of why I haven't been touching these guys as much. Staying inside, staying warm. It's like I'll just show you. Okay, so this is all I'm gonna show you from down here, but this is just the random spiral staircase in the corner of our room that doesn't lead to anywhere, or does it? So guys, this is the really cool playroom, I've been calling it. I don't really know. It's like a cinema, it's tree house, tree fort. That you guys probably recognize. This is my simulator. I have it in the corner of this room to kind of fill that void space area. I ran wires and stuff everywhere for the projector and all the plugs and the wires and everything over there. That's where I have my Cricut set up for all my custom vinyls. I built this bookcase over here, or little shelf kind of built into the wall and everything. Still needs paint, lighting, chairs, seating. Got to work on a bunch of stuff up here, but this is what I've been working on. I put in the lights already. I've kind of redid all of this up here. I re-caulked everything and kind of filled in all the gaps and voids. This is new carpet and everything. So we've been kind of working up here a lot. I'll be making sure to get some new videos for you guys on the simulator. It looks like those are pretty popular and you guys really like them, so I will definitely be making more of those. All I'm gonna say is my wife's next vehicle is gonna be twin turbo V6 and my next two vehicles are gonna be V8s. So definitely bumping up the cylinders in the household. It's been kind of difficult. We've been very, very busy with our jobs. Kristen has had a new job for about a month and a half. I'm at a month now at my new job and we're just trying to get acclimated, and it's a holiday season, so everybody's really busy. So I'm gonna try and do my best to keep up with you guys and get you some stuff and keep you in the loop of what's going on with us. I have been working on my buddy Tyler's Corvette. He lives like literally just around the corner from me. It's super cool. But yeah, just been hanging out, enjoying myself and relaxing because it's the holiday season. So I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. If you want to see more stuff, please subscribe, turn the notifications on, like this video, drop a comment down below. What do you think our next vehicles are? See if you can guess any of them. I'll let you know if you're right or not. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Peace out and keep turning those gears.